day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, go ahead and give this QR code a scan. Just want to apologise for not posting a video yesterday. Of course, here in the UK, it was a bank holiday that was due to the Queen's funeral. So I didn't post any videos yesterday because I was too busy looking and watching the Queen's funeral on the TV. So apologies for anyone who was waiting for my videos. But as of today, they will be posted as per usual, which is every single day. But let's start with the Nasdaq100. Very important trading week due to the fact we have the FOMC interest rate decision tomorrow, as well as Jerome Powell's press conference, and this is going to cause some volatility. Technically, the Nasdaq100 is looking horrendous. I think that the chances of us to go and test those June 16th lows are very high, and that's all the way down at around 11,060. So that does still indicate roughly a 7% fall from current levels. We got downward sloping 50-day moving average, downward sloping 50-day EMA, downward sloping 200-day EMA, and a downward sloping MA. A 200-day MA. So, it's really not looking good technically. We're clearly still in this downtrend. You can't argue anything else but that. And I think going into tomorrow's trading session, we are going to see a very hawkish Fed. And what's going to be the most important is the updated dot plot, which basically gives us an indication as to what all of the other Fed members are thinking and where they expect rates to go to within the next, 2 to 3 year time period. So it's going to be very interesting indeed. And I think that, as I just mentioned, the risk is more so towards the downside. I think the only potential catalyst which could cause the markets to shoot higher is just the sole fact that the investor sentiment right now going into tomorrow's FOMC meeting is extremely bearish. And I think that, perhaps investors aren't positioned at all in preparation if the markets were to go higher. So I think that is definitely a catalyst that could potentially send the markets higher. Sometimes when sentiment gets this negative, you can see a surprise rally towards the upside. But again, I still believe that the risk is further more towards the downside. I think it offers a fantastic longer term buying opportunity. But if you are a short term trader looking, 1 or 2 weeks out, I think that this could potentially offer a fantastic selling opportunity. I am short term selling this, meaning that, this is a position that I want to close within the next couple of days. But medium to longer term, I have been dollar cost averaging in since the August 16th highs up around 13,700, and I'm going to continue to do so as long as we go down to that June 16th low. So the lower we go medium to long term, it's actually bullish for me. But again, it's all about tomorrow. I don't think we're going to see too much movement going into tomorrow's Fed minutes meeting, and that's just due to the fact people just don't want to put much capital to risk ahead of this largely volatile occasion. So all eyes on the Fed tomorrow, and I'll give you an update tomorrow with regards to the Nasdaq100 performance prior to the Fed meeting.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything